I'm having a clear out of my craft drawers, and I've got a lot of spare material lying around, mostly because I've crashed a lot of planes recently.
Yeah. Oh.
So why don't I show you how to make something that flies out of this stuff? You will need a knife, a decent ruler, some sandpaper, tape of some description, and a hot glue gun. And you're also going to need a nail, but I'll tell you why later. Step 1. You're going to use a barbecue skewer for your fuselage, and this needs to be about half the size of the wings. So use this as a guide and cut out 2 wings. They should be about 1 inch thick, but really it's up to you. A handy trick to save time is just to trace around the wing that you've already cut out and then cut that one out. Step 2. To give your wings a bit of dihedral, you need to sand one of them and then cut out a small strip of balsa. This gets glued on top of the wing to give it a bit of extra strength and to allow it to bend up into position. Smear some more glue on the underside and then wipe it away with your finger. Or don't, because it hurts. Step 3! This next bit is how to make the tail. So all you need to do is cut out 2 small rectangles of balsa wood, and these should be about 2 inches long each. So this is a V-tail, so all you need to do is glue one of these squares to the fuselage at a time. Try and make them 90 degrees, but it doesn't really matter that much, like most things on this build. Step 4. Now you need to stick the wing to the fuselage, so blob some glue on there and then simply glue it in the middle of the fuselage or roundabout, just so that you get the centre of gravity right later on. Also, it's good to use a board like this so that you can get everything straight. Step 5. This is where the nail comes in, so wrap it in some tape and then stick it on the nose. The centre of gravity should be around the front of the wing, so adjust the nail until you get it right. Let's see how this one turned out. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please remember to give this video a little bit of a like down below, and subscribe if you're new, and welcome on board if you are new to Project Air. There's new videos every week or every 2 weeks, and yeah, I suppose I'll see you in the next one now. See you next time.